The 2024 latest tablet kit offers an impressive bundle of accessories, including a keyboard and stylus, providing excellent value for those looking to enhance their tablet experience. With 64 gigabytes of storage and the ability to expand up to 512 gigabytes, this tablet ensures that you have ample space for all your apps and media. Powered by an Octa-Core processor and Android 11, the tablet delivers smooth multitasking capabilities suitable for both entertainment and productivity. The 10.1-inch full high-definition display, complemented by dual cameras, offers a vivid visual experience for video chats and media consumption. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the tablet boasts a clutter-free interface, making it ideal for home, office, or school use. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery, the tablet supports extended usage, allowing you to enjoy hours of video, reading, or gaming on a single charge.